we call the Pulau Burung or Bird Island. This is very, very prescient, tell you, because we would like it, this area in the future will be good for a tourism attraction.
Do you know this area? We have the 175 hectare, and then we started to interesting this area about a few months ago. Yes, this is rice field. It's just only once a year for harvest.
You can take it also from two different ways. You can go by boat from Jambi directly to here, and you can go by car or public transportation from Jambi directly to here too. But it's by river, I think it's a very exciting because you can see more colorful, wonderful of Batanghari River. And from Tanggarajo, there's a central part of Jambi. When you go by speedboat, it will take about 2.5 hours. And then you stop over in the Papanjang, that's the center of the district area.
This island we call Pulau Burung in Bahasa, and in English we say that Bird Island. It's a very special because this is not new area, but there is no people know about this place before. So that's why we try to explore, and then we invite to you to come here to see this place. I think the special of this island because the large of this island is around 175 hectares, and also this area outside from the conservation forest. That's why we can explore this place more and more.
They have a very different typical of mangrove, but majority, the domination here is mangrove. We call the perdada, or the Latin say capiculada. So most of the species of bird here, starting from from swallow birds, and then seabirds, and we have also about the that's eagle, and some also we have a monkey here. And this is still good, so that's why I'm interested to promote this area, because why? We would like it too many tourists coming here, and we would like it to explain them, because this is one of the successful, wonderful place you can watch and you can see and you can come. You can use this canal someday here. You can put a small boat around this area, and you can see the colorful of the of the water. We have also crocodile here. You can see the open sea there. You can see the the like we call them a Pulau Berhala or a Berhala Island.
I'm coming for you, baby. Yes, I'm coming after you. I don't even know if you're the same the things I do. I'm coming for you, baby. Yes, you better run and hide. I'll shoot you through the heart, so stay with me tonight.
Yeah, before we starting to develop this area, people at the beginning they can starting to make a camping ground, and then stay with the local people here, because it's not so many population living here. There's only about around 20 people, 20 families I think living here, and most of the people here they are active. They have a special activity. All of them is farmer and fishermen also, but we can stay in everywhere.
Wah, mantap kakak ini. Mahal harganya kakak itu.
We don't have any facility, because one day We would like to build about the walking area, the entrance to the jungle, and people can watch, about the what kind of inside,
Jembatan ini dilarang buat ibu hamil. Nanti bisa keguguran.
And we would like it to build this area with a small group. We don't want to build with a modern facility. We just only keep it naturally and back to the nature. I think that's the best way we will do that. We don't have anything. We're not starting yet. This is just only planning at the beginning.
Come by, baby, yes, I'm coming.